Good morning and Sai Ram to all my lovely students. I wish that you all are in good health. Students, as you all know that in the last video we have completed the third chapter of your grammar, that is transformation of sentences. Now today we are going to start with the next chapter of new voices, that is scaffolding. Scaffolding, a poem by Seamus Heaney. Before starting with the poem, let us see who was Seamus Heaney. Seamus Heaney was an Irish poet. He was a playwright and a translator. He is widely recognized as one of the major poets of the 20th century. He was the author of over 20 volumes of poetry and criticism, and he also edited several widely used anthologies. He received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1995. Among his best known work is Death of a Naturalist and Door into the Dark. So he was Seamus Heaney, the Irish poet who have written the work Scaffolding. Before starting with the poem, let us see the difficult word of the poem Scaffolding. What is scaffolding? Scaffolding is a temporary structure on the outside of a building made of wooden planks and metal poles. So you must have seen that buildings have an outside structure. That outside structure where the worker used to move when he want to go from one place to another, or they used to hang for painting the wall. That structure is known as scaffolding. I'll show you the picture of scaffolding. So this is a type of structure which is made out in front or outer part of the building, which is made. This scaffolding, which is made up of wooden planks and your metal poles, is used for the workers. These are used by the workers to move from one place to another to carry the things. This is known as scaffolding. Scaffolding is a bridge between scaffolding is a bridge between the building and the workers. Now the next word is plank. Plank means a long narrow piece of board used specially for making a structure to walk on. You must have seen, students, that when we are crossing something, there is a piece of wooden plank. Wooden plank is being placed between two things to cross that place. Like if you have seen when we are crossing a river, when we have to jump from the boat to the bank of the river, there is a plank placed between the bank of the river and the boat to cross, so that the people can easily cross the river. They should not dive into the river. They can directly go to the bank of the river. That piece of wooden plank, or you said wooden piece or wooden board, is known as plank. Now let us start with the poem, that is scaffolding. Scaffolding starts with masons, when they start upon a building, are careful to test out the scaffolding. So masons are the people who are the head of the worker, and when they start building, or when they start upon building a building, or building a when they start upon building something, they first test the scaffolding, the structure which is made outside of the building, that is of wooden planks and your metal poles, so that they can climb that easily. They are very tight. The screw should not be loose. The ropes they have tied to the planks, they should not lose, so the people are safe. So before starting any work, the mason, who are the head of the worker, they first test that scaffolding is all right. and then they start their work. Now the next line says, make sure that planks won't slip at busy points. Secure all ladders, tighten bolted joints. So what here the poet is saying? He says that before starting the work, the mason should be very assured of that the busy points where more of the workers are moving from downwards to upward, that point should not slip. At that point the rope, the bolted joints which are tightened by the bolts, they should not loose. They should be very tight to secure the life of the worker. The people should secure the ladders. They should be kept very carefully. The bolts should be tightened properly so that the planks should not slip. The planks which are at busy points, they should not slip. They should not move. If they will move, the worker will fall down. So the poet is saying that before starting the work of the building, the mason check that everything is all right on the scaffolding, because scaffolding is used by the workers to move upward from downwards to carry the things. And he should also be sure that the planks should not slip, because if the planks will slip, the worker will fall down. So they should secure the ladders, they should put the ladders very carefully, and they should very carefully tight the bolts so that the things should not move. Now the next line says, and yet all this come down when the job's done, showing off wall of sure and solid stone. Here the poet is saying then when the all work is done, all the scaffolding is being removed, all the wooden planks, all the metal pole is removed when the building is being made. When the building work is complete, then all the scaffolding is removed, and that shows that now the wall are very secure. They are made up of solid stones. When the scaffolding is removed, what we can see? We can see a very beautiful building which the worker have made while moving on the scaffolding. So the last line says that when all the work is completed, the wooden planks, the scaffolding is removed, and when the scaffolding is removed, what we see? We see that a beautiful building, a building which is made up of the building which is showing that the walls are very secure, they are made up of solid stones. The next line says that so if, my dear, there something seems to be old bridges breaking between you and me, never fear. You may let the scaffolds fall, confident that we have built our wall. So student, here the poet is not talking about the building, how the building is made, but he is actually talking about how the relations are made. He says to his dear one that if sometimes it happened that you seem, or if you think that old bridge is breaking between us, the scaffolding is breaking between us, you should remove that scaffolding, you should remove all that thing from us, because you should be sure that we have made our relationship so strong from years and years that will not fail after removing the scaffold. So here the poet is actually saying that he is not talking about the building, that how the building is made, how the worker works on scaffolding. Scaffolding here is a symbol. Scaffolding is actually a symbol that people are making relationships, any relationship, friends relationship, mother sister relationship, any relationship in this world have certain scaffolding, that relation is secure by something. But at times it happened that scaffolding seems to be breaking down. That at that time poet says that you should break that scaffolding, because you should be sure that from years and years you have made this relationship so strong that it will not fail. There should be confident that your relations will not fail after the scaffolding is removed. So this is your poem Scaffolding by Seamus Heaney, and I hope you have understood this. It is very easy poem. You should know that here scaffolding, as I have shown you the image, that scaffolding is an structure made outside the building where the workers move from down to up and up to down to carry the things. That is scaffolding. But here scaffolding doesn't mean that. Here scaffolding is being talking about the relationships. When two persons are there and they have a relationship, and there sometimes happen because of the quarrels, the fight, they think that their relationship is not working. Now they have no respect for each other, and that they think that it is now breaking up. At that time we should break the scaffolding. We should break the things which are the part of our fighting, and we should remove all this thing. And what we will see that all this scaffolding, when are removed, we have a beautiful relationship. We have a very confident and a strong relationship which we have made from years and years. Scaffolding is just an outer part, but from inside, that beautiful relationship is very confident because it is being made from years and years. So hope that you have understood the poem Scaffolding by Seamus Heaney, and please go through the poem deeply again, listening to the videos again and again, and I hope that you are studying at home also. So take care students, thank you, and that's all for this class today.